Very good morning, students. So in the previous class, actually we finished about a location of center of mass, and there are actually methods are there. Location of center of mass. In that location of center of mass, one is method of symmetry, second one is decomposition, third one is integration, and fourth one is Papa's theorem. In this, that I want to tell you about a method of symmetry. Already we also finished one example related to the method of symmetry. That is one example when two discs are joined together. Therefore, by the method of symmetry, the center of mass position, so we did, as well as the sphere also we finished. Now this is for 4 marks actually in our IPE pattern. So let us triangular lamina. Suppose you take a one triangular lamina, that is the LMN is the triangle. You say LMN is the triangular lamina. In this triangular lamina, we know the center of mass position is at centroid, right? Already we know this, at centroid is nothing but the point is G. But by the method of symmetry, suppose this triangular lamina is divided into small strips, like this is the one strip, and you take this is the second strip, and this you take a third strip, like this is the fourth strip, like it is divided as the small strips. And for each individual strip, for them the center of mass is center only. Suppose if I take a this one strip, if I take a one strip like this, from that if I separate it, therefore for this the center of mass will be center. Like you take a second strip, it is center. Third strip, like it is individual parts. If I take a individual parts, therefore there will be the center of mass will be at center only. But in case of a triangular lamina, for this all strips, say there is a median is there, this median is L and you say something R. I mean L and LP is the median, or it is we can say line is joined to onto the MN. This line indicates a median. Therefore, this line indicates the median, and for this center is this is the G. Like each and every strip center of mass will be at a center only. It is a method of symmetry. If I take a individual, therefore individual strip the center of mass will be at a center for individual strips. And coming to the each and every strip, center will be act at a center of the triangular lamina only. This method we can call as it is a method of symmetry. This is given in the page number in our material, page number 153. Question number as to method of symmetry it is. Look at. So the problem is given like this. Find the center of mass of a triangular lamina. There is a triangle is divided by the symmetry. Each strip has its center of mass at midpoint. Yes, of course. At a midpoint only, each one is at its midpoint, and that each one is acting by joining the midpoint of all strips. Like each and every strip you join like this. Yes, if you join like this, therefore that will be, it is a one line, that line indicates a median, and it is onto the MN for the base. Therefore, what does the center of mass of whole triangle has to lie on the line of median, so that all strips center of mass lies on the line of median, because this line is drawn, no, that line is joining the all center of mass of individual strips. That is the line. So that here what happens, that is obtained and lies, and similar the center of mass can lie on the median. It is MQ is the center and RN is the center. So that the point we can call this means the center of mass line or at midpoint of corner of median. So midpoint of this line midpoint. So center it is. So that each and every strip the center is acting at a center of the median. This is the method of symmetry. We can say this is the method of symmetry, one example, and which is for 4 marks. Clear? It is a by method of symmetry, like we can say. And here another I told you, that is about a decomposition. Sir, what is mean by decomposition? So the decomposition is nothing but it. By the method of decomposition, actually we have to find the center of mass position. Sir, how we can decompose? See, decomposition we can say. See, decomposition it is. What is mean by decomposition? So that the decomposition is nothing but by method of decomposition we can take like this. Suppose if any lamina is given, suppose you take a F letter, I'll tell you some examples. You take as F letter. Now this letter, now we have to find the center of mass of this letter. Then for this purpose we have to take like this. Yes, you decompose. If I decompose, I'll get a one strip. This is the one lamina will get. It is a one rectangular lamina, and another one is there in a F, another lamina is there, one more part. See, now we have to decompose like this. Now how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. For each and every part center of mass we have to find. For suppose if I take a 1, 2, 3, and for this first it is a center. Of course, for this it is center and it is center. So the center of masses for individual strips. After that, sometimes he may ask you find a center of mass of the system. So first of all we have to find the center of mass for individual strips. Then after we should find a center of mass from where he is asking. Suppose sometimes he may ask you from here. Then you take the corner this and you find a center of mass of the whole system. For that purpose what we have to take? Yes, of course we have to find the x1, y1, and here it is x2, y2. The positions we should find. So that there are three strips now, you take as m1 and it is m2 and this is m3. So that xcm is equal to, we know, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 it is. Like ycm also, because there is an x-axis is there as well as y-axis is there, no. It is like a two-dimensional plane, no. Then you say m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 by, that is m1 plus m2 plus m3 like this. So it is xcm and ycm we have to find by using the method of decomposition. First of all we have to find the individual pieces center of masses. Like you give numbers and you find masses. Yes, of course masses we can get like this. For this mass is equal to length into breadth. It is like this. Because we know density is equal to mass by area, no. So that m is equal to rho into a. Area for this strip what happens? It is a length and it is a breadth. So that you say m is equal to rho L into B. If we know the values of L and B, we will get the mass m1. Like you take here also same m2. M2 is equal to L2 into B2. Yes, of course. And for M3 also we can take like this, L3 into B3. If they are in the question, if they are given a values of length and breadth, then we have to find a center of mass of a given a letter F by using a decomposition method. Like here, I'll tell you another example for the decomposition. If there is a E letter is given like this, suppose you take a E, yes, by using a again decomposition, now we have to decompose the E letter. See how many strips we will get here. We can take a like this, one strip, this is the one rectangular lamina, and another strip, it is a second rectangular lamina, and you take a third one, it is a middle, and last one, fourth one, this is, you say like this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 or the four points, and here we should find a individual center of masses each strip. Then after we should find a center of mass from where he is asking. Suppose if he is asking from here or if he is asking from here, then use that point and get a center of masses. Again we have to find the masses, like you say it is m1 again, it is m2 again, this is m3 and again m4. There are 4 particles now. Then center of mass will be xcm is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus m4 x4 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4, and ycm you should find like this, m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus and m3 y3 plus and m4 y4 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus and m4. Of course here the center of mass is x1 y1. From where he is asking, based on that we have to take here also x2 y2, yes, here x3 y3 and x4 y4. Like this we have to get by using the method of decomposition. By the letters are given like this. Suppose sometimes he may ask you T letter, of course T also we can take. Like that we have the method of decomposition. On this basis, in our material there is a one problem is there, the problem related to decomposition method. In the example, I will show you that example. Look at here, find the center of mass, right? The given is find the center of mass of a uniform L-shaped lamina. Of course, there is a L-shaped lamina is given. Look at in the problem, question number 3, page number 153. Like we have to apply a decomposition method again. See, let us, I will tell you decomposition method, one example problem. Yeah, look at the decomposition method. By the method of decomposition, page number you take as the 153 and question number is 3, right? So question, find the center of mass of a uniform L-shaped lamina, a thin flat plate. Then the dimension as shown, the mass of a lamina is 3 kg. So the mass of a lamina is 3 kg is given. Then you divide as like the given part L shape, no? Yes, of course, you take L shape lamina, the given like this. The given as it is you take. Okay. So here is asking, the given is in the figure is given, no? So that you take x. This is x axis you say, and this is you take as a y axis. And let us, we have to divide the parts. See, we will get the in L shape. Actually, we can also take as a 2 parts, but it's taken as a 3 parts. So yes, you take a 3 parts, as 3 parts you take, no problem, right? So this is one part, and you say this is the second part. So in that only the given very clear divisions are given. Directly you take the divisions. This is the center of mass is C1. This is the center of mass for C2. This is center, individual it is. Magar is asking from where? See, asking a center of mass position. Let us, the length will be given as 2 meter. In this, length is given as 2 meter. That is, this length is 2 meter, right? And as well as this is also given as 2 meter. X is given, Y is given. This you take 0, 0. And this is what happens 2, 0 here. Because the length is 2 and Y axis is 0, however. And here, you take, it is 1 meter, no? Then it is a y axis, and this is x axis, x and y. So from here we can say, because is asking from where? From origin, no? So that origin is nothing but it is 1 and it is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 1. This point also we know, and this point also it is a 1 and it is 1. So 1, 1 you take. Like here it is 0, 2. Yes, of course. And this is also given 1, 2 because it is a 1. It is a 1 and it is a 2 because total y, no? These are the given, I mean to say, about a coordinates are given. It is very clear given. So now he is asking xcm and ycm. Now we should find a mass. Mass of a strips, it is a 1. You say 1 strip, mass is m1, m2 and m3. So now let us you find a mass m1 is equal to length into breadth. Of course, you know this is 1 and this is 1. So m1 is equal to 1 into 1. You say 1 it is. And in this case, we have to find the x1 and x2, y2 as well as x3, y3 also. So that before that I will tell you m2 is equal to, here again 1 into 1. So that you will get 1 only. And m3 also you take 1 into 1 because it is only 1. Now we should find that position of x1, y1 and x2, y2 also we have to get, right? Here look at x1 actually. See, from this position is center of mass position here, no? So that it is what happens, it is in this, x is represented as half. So here x1 for this position from origin we have to say, so that this will be what happens x. So that you write here for x1, y1 is equal to, in this one half, no, you take as a half coordinate, and for this it is y, no, so we don't know this y, so that we should get it by using this triangle, right? You take a half and that is half plus half, so it may be 3/2 it is, because it is a triangle height, no, it is half a square plus b square, so that it is maybe we will get the 3 by, I mean to say it is y axis, no, also half it is. because it is half, no? x1 y1, you take m2 also, x2 y2 particle. For x2 y2 will be, this is no, again it is from the origin, no, you take like this, clear? So from the origin we have to say, so that it is a 1 and it is 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 2, what happens, it is 1 by 2 is nothing but a 3 by 2, of course it is 3 by 2, this part, it is half, no? So this length will be like this, and here again it is half, so y2 is over. You go for the x3 y3, concentrate everyone how I am getting this. See, first one look at x1 y1, so because it is in this, because the center of mass position x1, no, from origin is asking, no, so that it is half, yes, it is also y axis half, then x2 y2, in this x2 is nothing but this is x2, this is 1 is there and it is 1 by 2 is there, 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 and again it is half, you say 1 by 2 it is. Now you go for the x3 y3, right? See, x3 y3, again this is, no, this is the point, so that here y will be, it is half and it is 1, so that here y3 will be 3 by 2, because it is actually 1 and it is 1 by 2, so that 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. What about z, I mean what about this one, x, so x is again it is half only, no, like this we can take. Now these are the coordinates related to the given L-shape lamina. In this L-shape lamina, now we have to find the XCM, that is XCM is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So that XCM is equal to, what is m1? We say 1 into x1 will be 1 by 2 plus m2 will be 1. x2 will be 3 by 2 plus m3 will be 1 and x3 will be 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 3, XCM is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by 3. So XCM is equal to, you take a common 1 by 2, 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3. So XCM is equal to 5 by, it is 6. This is for XCM. And you go for the YCM as well as the same, we will get the YCM also in the same manner. You take a YCM is equal to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Then YCM is equal to m1 is 1, y1 is again 1 by 2 and here m2 is 1 and y2 is 1 by 2. And here m3 is 1, y3 is 3 by 2 by again 3. So of course it may be also same will get, again you take a 1 by 2 is common, 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3. So YCM is equal to 5 by 6. See, if anyone have doubt, please once check the question. Actually here we are doing what we are doing, by using this we are finding the center of mass of position. From XCM it is 5 by 6, for YCM it is 5 by 6. How will get? First of all we should find a center of masses of individual pieces. This is the center of mass of this piece and you take as the m1 is the mass. Once again I am explaining you, m1 it is, you say m2, this is m3. And here these coordinates are what, actually the total length is 2 comma 0, right, 2 comma 0 and it is 2 comma 1, not required actually this all. If you not required, you don't want to write also, no problem, directly we can take center. So this is the center point, no. So for this what happens, you take a coordinates from this axis, so it is actually total is 1, no, in this half, because half, no, we can say 1 by 2 it is, that's what x1 is 1 by 2. And here it is represented as a y axis, no, in this also it is 1, no, so you say it is a 1, no, so that is also half. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, this is the finished. And go for a x2 y2. x2 is nothing but what happens, this is the center of mass of a second part. So for this center of mass we have to say the coordinates. Actually from origin is asking, no, this position origin we have to find. So this is complete, it is half and it is 1, this part is 1 and it is part is 1 by 2. So that half plus 1 is nothing but a 3 by 2, it is x axis. What about y axis? Again it is half only, in this half will get. Like here you go for the x3 and y3 also same. See, x3 is nothing but this part is x3 comma y3, right? Here you write here x2 comma y2 like this. So that in this x3 it is represented as x. Again in this 1 is half is nothing but a 1 by 2. What about y3? Yes, it is a y-axis still here. From here from we are saying from here. So this is 1 and it is 1 by 2. So again 1 plus, right? 1 plus 1 by 2 becomes, it is, we can write a 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2, because 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but a 3 by 2. These are the coordinates of individual parts. Then after we have to find the XCM. It is a decomposition, we can say. The method of decomposition like this. Here we have to find the center of mass position by using a what? Method of decomposition. These are the, this is the related to second method related example, right? Method of decomposition, we can say like this. So you go through the question, page number it is 153 and question number is 3. Okay, you refer the material, from material you refer this question. Then after I am also checking if any question is there on this basis decomposition, then I will discuss. Otherwise we will go for the next one. Right. So it is enough for this decomposition method. And there is a third one is there, actually not required for IPE pattern. That is the third pattern is, or I mean to say third one is, it is a method of, we can say, integration is one, and one more is the method of, I mean to say, another one is Papa's theorem. Actually these two are not required for the IPE pattern. Method of Papa's theorem. In this method of Papa's theorem, one method we can say volume generated formula is one. The further volume generated, I will give you formula directly, not required, just you remember, because the method is there, no, that is what I will give you the method how to do, that is it. See, in this third method you say Papa's theorem. In this Papa's theorem, see, there is a first formula is there. In this Papa's theorem, in this volume generated formula, that is, we can say directly, we can write like this. For this volume generated, the position of center of mass is, for the given situation, xc is equal to, directly we are writing 4r by 3 pi. Sir, what is r? R is nothing but a radius, and pi is nothing but, we know value 22 by 7, or we can say 3.14. It is a volume generated theorem, first one. And you go for the second one, surface generated theorem, or we can say surface area generated. Surface area generated formula, that is directly xc is equal to 2 capital R by pi again. See this, R is nothing but a radius again. This is the method of Papa's theorem, not required again, right? So this is about a related to what? For the calculation of the given method, right? So this is a question related to method of Papa's theorem. Is it okay? Now coming to the next one, method of integration. Actually it is also not required, but some MPC students are required, that is what I will give you. And also it is related to some method related to JEE Mains and the NEET examination point of view. It is very, very important. That is what I will tell you, the method of integration. Method of integration, right? So in this integration method, there is a formula related to this. Say suppose the given XCM position we should find like this. XCM is equal to method of this is integral dm into x by capital M. It is capital M in the sense is given total mass of the body. Dm is nothing but a small strip mass. X is nothing but a position of that given length. So this is what it is, integration method. Integration method, by using a integration method we can find the position of center of mass. Suppose if a triangle is there, yes, of course we can find the triangle at a centroid by using a method of integration. Not only that, you take a cone. See, in the very beginning I told you cone center of mass position from the base, if solid is different and hollow is different. Like if I tell you another one center of mass, I mean to say, you take one rectangular lamina, plain lamina. If any one is given, then we can find it by using a method of integration. Method of integration, that is, I'll tell you the example, one problem also, on this basis also, you don't worry, right? This is the formula, XCM is equal to integral dm into x by capital M. So, dm is nothing but a mass of a small strip, x is nothing but a position of that small strip from the origin, capital M is nothing but a total mass of the given that body, that we can take like that. So, this is the method of integration. So, by using method of integration, I will tell you one example problem in the next class, then we will meet in the next class with example of method of integration. So, that after finishing this, then we will see in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you.